Alright guys, I'm gonna do a bike check for you. Start from the top. Kink Gliders bar ends. ODI super soft grips. S&M holder bars. No, I'm kidding. They're Fly Luna bars. Fly bikes. Got a McNeil stem. Old ass stem. Big ol' fucking brick. Tree top cap. FSA Impact headset. Fly Agua forks. Stolen joint tire. Tan wall. 2.3. Primo hub. The old one. I spray painted it black. Kills white. Then McNeil chrome rim. The sticker somewhere. I'll show it to you later. Then I got an S&M frame. The badge is under here. I don't know if you can see it. S&M. Then Sean Sexton seat with the stolen Thermalite seat post with a shitty seat clamp. Shadow screen sprocket. I kind of took off the screen stuff, whatever. Premium cranks, I don't forget what kind. Best pedals, Twisted PC pedals. Odyssey Bluebird chain. Coming to the rear. On my ass. Odyssey Hazard Light hub. With Odyssey Hazard Light rim and chrome. Kind of corroding a little bit. And another stolen joint tire in the back. And some, I don't know, stock bottom bracket. I don't know what kind of bottom bracket it is. And yeah, there you go. A bike check. Rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you.